Hello student, today we learn next part from the chapter number 6, that is chapter's name is natural regions. See, some part we have learned in the previous video, and today we see next part that is given on page number 34, that is they are given specifically regions, then location and areas as well as climate, then natural vegetation, animal life, human life. Okay, see, there are mainly three regions, that is monsoon regions, then Mediterranean region and West European region. See, first one, monsoon region. See, here's location and area is north and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south, which is parallels. And areas Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa and America, etc. Then climate, summer temperature between 27 degree and 32 degree, and winter temperatures 15 degree to 24 degree Celsius, and rainfall here 250 to 2500 mm, and areas get rains in specific seasons from southwest monsoon, and rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite unequal. Then natural vegetation. See, semi-evergreen and deciduous forest, and vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall, that banyan, peepal, teak, sal, these are sandalwood, bamboo, shrubs, grasses, etc. They are natural vegetation. Then animal life, wild animals such as tiger, lion, leopards, cheetahs, elephants, wolves, bears, monkeys, snakes, peacocks, cuckoos, etc. And domesticated animals, that means cattle, goats, horses, etc. And human life, large number of small hamlets and considerable difference in diet and costumes, and population is mostly involved in primary occupation, and main occupation is agriculture. See, in monsoon region main occupation is agriculture. Then Mediterranean region, which occurs between 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degree parallel in both the hemispheres, south and north. Then here climate is dry summer and rainfall in winter, and mean summer temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, and it rains in a winter. Then natural vegetations are thick, small and oily leaves, thick bark, examples olive oak, chestnut, and grass is the low rainfall regions. Then coniferous forest in mountainous regions, and animal life, due to the animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large numbers, that are goat, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. in a Mediterranean region. And here human life beings, seat of Greek and Roman civilization, and main occupation is also here also agriculture, mostly fruit and flower cultivation, wheat product from the staple diet, and colorful consumes. Then West European regions, see located this region in between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels, And see, here's region as South Chile, New Zealand, okay, British Cambodia, etc. And climate, here's climate is mean summer temperature around 20 degree Celsius and mean winter temperature around 5 degree Celsius. See, rainfall mostly in the form of cyclones associated with westerlies, and it rains throughout the year. Climate is mild. And here natural vegetations, green grasses all the year. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses, that means oak, beech, maple, pine, that are. And animal life, because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in the large number. And wild animals include wolves, foxes, bears, etc. And human life, industrious and enthusiastic people have been mainly scholars and explorers, use wooden clothing, have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sectors. Okay, today we learn all about three regions, their location as well as areas, climate, then natural vegetations as well as animal life and human life. So student, we have learned all from these chapters, and here some questions are there. See, questions are: which natural region consists of short lived vegetation? See here, answer of this is you find from the learning this whole chapter. Videos are also given to you. And now see page number 35, here given one map, and from this asked some questions. See, which natural regions are found in India, then monsoon region, hot desert region and mountainous region are found in India, as well as which continent comprises a major portion of the hot desert type region. The continent of Africa comprises a major portion of the hot desert type region. Okay. Then, which continent has the highest diversity in terms of natural regions? Highest diversity, that is Asia has the highest diversity. And why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? In southern hemisphere, the portion of water, that means oceans, is greater than that of land. Therefore, there are fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than in the northern hemisphere. Then, next, which natural regions occupies the largest area in the world? Then answer is the taiga. Taiga natural regions occupies the largest area in the world. Then where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica? See, conditions similar to continent of Antarctica are also found in the Arctic region. And next question is, through which natural regions does the prime meridian pass? See, the prime meridian passes through the following regions, that is West European region, hot desert region, grassland, then equatorial region, as well as Mediterranean region, mountainous region, temperate grasslands region, taiga region, tundra region, and ice cap region. Okay, these are all natural regions. See students, and here some questions are there, and you learn yourself from these maps, and you first read this that all lesson from the first. Okay, and then you get answers of these all questions. And see, as one travel from the equator to the poles, the spectrum of a biodiversity narrows down, and this leads to the issues of availability of natural resources, and this adversely affects human occupations. And in Mansoor region, agriculture and allied activities from the main occupation of the people. In equatorial regions, occupations like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, etc. Lark also are all based on forest produce. Taiga is a softwood forest, therefore lumbering is the main occupation there. And in tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. And extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays. And significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. And the use of the resources is dependent on that region's progress in science and technology. And similarly, the history and the cultural organization of that place also affects the life of the people. Okay, student, see, we have learned here different or all regions, natural regions from this chapter, their climate, their wildlife, their human life, their animal life, all terms we have studied in this chapter. You see all videos and do the study. And today here our sixth lesson is over, and I have tell you that our first term syllabus of subject geography standard 7th up to the Diwali here finished. Okay, student, so now your responsibility is remaining that you have to study very well. So student, today we will stop here.